them and see what happens. Okay, let's try it. Have I set that up? Nope, that key binding didn't work. Let's do that. And then I need a IO context. And what I'll need here is I'll need the IO context pointer. I'll need a URL, which I'm just going to say is, we'll do that for now. Flags which control how the resource indicated by URL is to be opened. Is that all you have to say? It's just an integer? An interrupt callback to be used at the protocol level. I somehow don't think it's going to tolerate that. Is this a crash error? No, it's not. For now it is. To do this shouldn't crash the program. You know what? Pipe audio input to output. Well, okay, let's just say pipe audio. And we're going to say, we're going to pipe do I need to give a pointer? I think so, because I think there's a lot of options in there that I want to copy. So I think I do. Does that work? I have no idea if that works. And I think I don't even want to bother checking the return value. I think I want pipe audio to handle all of that. So let's grab this. Yeah, we're not editing that. No, sir. And now, yeah. I just want to realloc. It would be nice to have it dynamically grow. But I think I do just want to realloc it. What happens if URL is null? I'm not sure. But for now, that's what happens. Maybe we want to indicate it writing to a loopback device, I'm not sure. I think we want this to be const as well. I guess I can put that here. I think that's legal. Use of undeclared. Oh, yeah, whoops. Struct audio input const AI equals audio inputs plus I. Okay. And we want to realloc. What are the semantics of realloc? Realloc array, that seems nice, but I dare say that's a BSD thing. Oh, it's not a BSD thing. I dare say that's not a C89 port 70 standard draft, whatever. Which is, I dare say that's not C89. Doesn't look like it. Sure doesn't. And again, strictly this can overflow, but for this type of program, we don't care. What happens if it overflows? We have a bunch of... yeah, what happens if it overflows? You can groom memory, but how would you overflow it? You need to add like 4 billion, actually way more than that, but you need to add 4 billion output devices. And that's done via user input. So no, I don't think in this case we care. Let's realloc. Actually, it's not 4 billion. Well, again, it's way more than 4 billion, but it's actually divided by the size of the structure. We're just going to return. Otherwise, we're going to set... Ooh. We can't have that there. Very spooky. Because we actually need to change it. And we want... And then we want... Maybe like that. Um... Can that ever fail? Can you fail to shrink? Yeah, checks for overflow. Good idea. We need to make sure we initialize that to null, which we do. Malloc options. Not having enough memory is an interesting problem. Yeah, no. So the pipe audio function, no, that's actually a good question. Because how do we trigger this function? Is it possible to, I mean, we're not exactly protecting anything. And we're certainly not protecting it from the user. I don't know. The security part of my brain almost can't help it. But we'll leave it. We'll leave it. Then we free the output. Yeah, I'm not sure there's anything we can really do. It looks like realloc is allowed to move the object. But honestly, I don't know what to do if that happens. Like, what are we gonna do? Yeah. So strictly this can fail, but what do we do if it does? I don't know what the right thing to do is here. Is the right thing to do just pretend we have an audio option just to keep it around?